Alright guys, today I want to come on here and do a quick unboxing and review on my new 2-pack Type-C 30-watt wall chargers. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews, so let's go take a look at it. I'm always trying to keep my device plugged in, and the faster we can get it charged, the better. So you can see, super compact. I already like this feature right here. And then same thing with the other one. So let's go and just plug them in and test them out. All right, so we'll go ahead and plug in our Nintendo Switch first. I want to say this has 0 charge. Yep, so let's go ahead and plug this in. And then we'll go ahead and let that charge up, and then let's see what else we can plug in. All right, and then while we wait for that, we're gonna go ahead and plug in our iPad. There we go. All right, so as you can see, very, very good for all your devices. We'll see how fast we can get this to show up and see if we can get this to power on. There we go. As you can see, it is charging, so it's good enough for a Nintendo Switch, good enough for an iPad, good enough for your new iPhone, or Samsung devices. So if you guys are looking for some new wall chargers, definitely look into these. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.